Yes, sir.
All right. That is crazy.
Yeah.
So you saying it's cut?
It's got that coupe style, and that's why it's cut off the back. Instead of like a normal GLE would come to here, it would be like coming and it would come down.
Exactly.
This is that more aggressive, more aerodynamic style.
Be more like a box on the back instead of like a family. Well, it's like still family, but
you can put your family in one.
but you can go fast.
You can go real quick to that soccer game, groceries, whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
124.
Inside right here, like what is it? All the inside.
577 horses, 561 foot-pounds of torque. Ooh, I bet you this thing's fun to drive.
Mini Nance, we didn't know anything that it was such a big thing, and then he has one from over there from Stonewall. He was gonna go look, and they were like, "Oh, you should have your car," and he didn't have any of this. It was just like a month after he got it.
Really?
And they were like, "Oh, here."
And came so you
That was Mini Nance. That was over in Rockwall, Texas.
Rockwall. I remember the concert I was watching. It's a guy who do
Technologies.com.
building technology.
Billet. Technologies.com.
That is crazy.
Got my Jeep worked out back.
That's nice, man.
And he's got this
Challenger.
Location closer to the building, so if you have trash or anything, or have concessions that you need to throw away, there's a bunch of trash cans, so just find whatever one is closest to you, and let's make sure and keep the church parking lot as clean as possible. All right, we're gonna do another round of door prizes. Vehicle number 9. Vehicle number 66. Vehicle number 52. And vehicle 46. We called your number, come to the trophy table, we will give you your door prize.
The guy was like, "Hey man, do you know about has the clamps? My car's down." I was like, "Dude, you can have my clamp." I said, "I've got another one." And so honestly, any issues in Trump Park?
Really quick before I do the rest, I want to go ahead and say a big thank you again to our sponsors, LED for Life out there with Donnie. Those guys are awesome. Excess Horsepower. Thomas just won that trophy for Kids' Choice because, you know, whenever you got things sticking out of your hood, man, that's it. That's awesome. If I was a kid, I'd love it. And then we also have Pep Boys. My man Jared's actually made his way over here from Pep Boys at the LED for Life tent. He hooked us up with these buckets, so I'm gonna go ahead and give away these buckets. We have an Armor All setup, the Griots, and I guess is it the McGuire's? Is that how you say it? I think so, yeah. So the McGuire's bucket goes to vehicle number 27. 27. Where we at? 27? He's coming over here. What bucket? What vehicle? 63 Chevrolet. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. The Armor All bucket. Vehicle number 16. Where we at? Vehicle number 16. What vehicle did you have? What year was it? 16. 2016 Chevy GT250. Yeah. Awesome. We're gonna do best motorcycle. Vehicle number 2. Motorcycle number 2. Where we at? Number 2? J-Dog. What year is your model? Alright, we're gonna move right along. Best 4-wheel drive. Where number 6 at? Hey, that Gladiator, man. That red Gladiator's clean, man. Best 4-wheel drive. Do this one. I would like to make an announcement about I did not do. But we had a craziest car category, vehicle number 12, which is this crazy Miata over here. And the reason they picked it is because it is the craziest. And so it's for it. But Dak's gonna come and get this trophy for that. Congratulations on helping me crazy Miata. I get more looks in that thing than anything else I've ever ridden in. Let's do best Jeep. Yeah. I see you back there with that beautiful AMG up in here. That's okay. Just put it on your desk. Congrats, bud. That was the AMG, the black AMG. 07 Mercedes, the Batmobile. All right. We're gonna do best paint to see who had the best paint. And it actually has a custom paint job. Vehicle number 23. Congrats. Which vehicle with the truck paint job over here next to Donnie's big truck? Congratulations, brother. All right, we'll do best classic custom. This is 1980 and below. Best classic custom goes to vehicle number 35. Vehicle number 35. I can give this someone if I was kidding. Which one? He had to leave. We'll do the best classic truck. Number 22. Vehicle number 22. All right. Which vehicle was it? 67 GMC. The black one? Yeah. Congratulations, brother. Present day,
They threw me on
1980 or older, Mopar, which is vehicle number 67. Where we at? Hey! What vehicle was it? Okay, Dodge Challenger Shaker 20. Go ahead and knock out the best truck in the show. Told you won twice. What year is it? 2017 Ford F-150 with the works. Alright, we'll do the best classic Ford in show. Vehicle number 5. This gentleman over here. What is it, 64 and a half? Mustang convertible. Congratulations, bro. Vehicle number 19. Oh, he's back here under the shade. Oh, sorry.
know.